And some more voices to support Vinesh Fogart. We're getting this breaking news. Dipender Hooda has spoken exclusively to News 18 and he has said that Vinesh Fogart should be given gold medal facilities. All the parties should come together to give her the Rajya Sabha seat that is now being vacated by me from Haryana.
The opposition is saying that there seems to be some conspiracy in the Vinesh Fogart case. The government is saying this all politics is being played over the matter.
See, at what level, did we miss out? What was the, little things that could have been avoided, and all these things are matter of inquiry. I think today the entire nation is disheartened, and Vinesh has emerged as victoriously. She has won hearts of billions of people across the world in the manner she fought against the system, in the manner she fought for the rights of women. So I think Vinesh, we are all saluting Vinesh for her performance.
Senior Hooda Sahib today, Bhupinder Hooda ji has said that the Rajya Sabha seat that is there in Haryana. What do you have to say on that? Especially Haryana government has also announced that she would be welcome to the medalist.
Not only a silver medal, the facilities, she should be given facilities for a gold medal, because she has already virtually won the gold, but she was denied that opportunity. So I think that's the least that the state government can do. And additionally, I think the Rajya Sabha seat, which has fell vacant with me coming to Lok Sabha, and the elections have been announced, I think it is most appropriate, and what Hooda Sahib has said, I totally support it, that there can be nobody more appropriate than Vinesh as somebody who can be considered for the Rajya Sabha.
देखिए, विनेश का जहाँ तक सवाल है, सिल्वर नहीं, उसको तो गोल्ड लाता है, उसको तो जो गोल्ड का प्राइस है वो देना चाहिए हरियाणा सरकार को। उसका क्या कसूर है? ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ, और उसकी भी सरकार को इंटरवेंशन करनी चाहिए। क्या कारण हुआ, क्यों ऐसा हुआ? क्योंकि ये रेयर है, जो ऐसा हुआ होता नहीं है। उसको तो हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए जो गोल्ड का वो है वो देना चाहिए उसको। गोल्ड में मिल जाता उसका जो है पूरा गोल्ड मिलना था, और वक्त की बात है जो उसका हौसला बढ़ाना है। अब हमारे राज्यसभा के इलेक्शन है, हमारी तो मेजोरिटी नहीं, अगर हमारी मेजोरिटी होती तो मैं उसको राज्यसभा में बनाता। इतना मान सम्मान उसने देश का बढ़ाया, और उसका ताकि खिलाड़ियों का हौसला बढ़े।
Taking this across to my colleague Aman Sharma, who's with us on the broadcast. Aman, the clamour is only growing by the opposition to not just give Vinesh Fogart facilities reserved for a gold medalist, but also a Rajya Sabha seat. Any word from the Treasury benches on this?
Well, nothing so far, but very, very interestingly, there seems to be a clamour, I would say, amongst Haryana politicians, especially from the Congress party, to ensure that Vinesh Fogart is celebrated. We had Dipender Hooda we just spoke to him, and he's saying that the Rajya Sabha seat that Dipender Hooda is vacating from Haryana, Mr. Dipender Hooda saying that seat should in fact go to Vinesh Fogart. Interestingly, Congress doesn't have the numbers to win that Rajya Sabha seat, but he is asking for all parties to come together and ensure that Vinesh Fogart is elected from that Rajya Sabha seat. So in a way, it's putting a pressure on the BJP to also recognize the efforts of Vinesh Fogart and support her candidature for the Rajya Sabha. Also, increasingly this clamour is coming that she should not be allowed to retire. So we had Kumari Selja in the morning today. Mr. Randeep Surjewala also said that they will prevail upon Vinesh Fogart when she's back in India, that she should not retire, and she is Haryana ki beti. She is the pride of Haryana, and the Congress party strongly stands beside her. In fact, Randeep Surjewala even said that this particular rule, international rule, that if an athlete fails the weigh-in, she would be out of the competition completely and would be ranked last. He has said that the Indian government should challenge this particular rule also, because it is plainly unjust towards an athlete like Vinesh Fogart, who has won all the medals in the run-up to the gold medal match.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Aman. Politics happening when it comes to Vinesh Fogart being disqualified at the Paris Olympics, and that clamour only growing. And opposition party is really behind it, because Vinesh, they say, was forced to compete in a lower weight category of 50 kilograms as compared to the 53 kgs that she was used for, just because that spot went to Antim while she was protesting against the alleged sexual harassment case that was against the then WFI chairperson.